Ah, you know hear what I go on. Them way they are not nothing no time now. Make money way I make I know for good. Shit, that's crazy, bro. Yo, bro, what's up, guys? What's up, guys? How y'all doing? It's your boy Nando. I represent for Nando Review Channel, and I'm about to review, you know who it is, Alkaline Accomplishment. I heard the song. When did this song drop? Like yesterday or 2 days ago? And I heard it, and I'm like, I didn't want to come review it yet because I was so busy, and then I was like thinking, the market is so overly saturated, but I wanted to come review it, but I just thought maybe I'll try on 2 days from the release. And now I'm in the process of reviewing it. So now I'm about to review the song. Tell me what you guys think about it in the comment section, all right? Let's get it. Still come. One thing for sure, bro, this nigga, his flow is so futuristic. It is like it is not in this era and realm of music. His flow is so futuristic on a level where you gotta really listen and study it and really grasp what he's saying in songs. You can't just listen to this nigga song for once. You gotta listen like 2-3 times. I gotta pull that shit up because I really don't understand everything you just said, but that is crazy. Yo. I just wrote. Your man's just said, yo, you know you are going. Them way they are nothing no time now. Check him on the way I make. I know if couldn't stay calm. Man, I tell you, say, yo, it's like, I'm gonna ask we, if we not hear what I go on. What I go on Alkaline, tell her what I go on. Cause it's like, we don't know what I go on. Tell her what really I go on. Now I remember, Vibes Cartel did a interview with, what's his name? Anthony Miller. And he asked him a few questions about Alkaline, what him think about Alkaline, and him say it's a good water, stuff like that. And then further down in the interview, Anthony Miller asked him a few more questions about Alkaline as well. And he was saying like, oh, Alkaline was supposed to give him homage, and not just Alkaline, but other dancehall artists. Well, I understand where he's coming from as an artist, Vibes Cartel. But Alkaline is his own man. If he wants to give you homage, he gives you. But I remember in a longer time interview, he did give him his homage. He did say he was a great artist, but it wasn't like he's singling him out and putting him in one area by himself saying, oh, I worship you, or I am inspired by you, or whatever. It wasn't like that. He just give him his respect, saying he respect him as a artist, just as he respect everyone else. And I understand that. So I guess Alkaline now is clearing up the air with this song called Accomplishment, and he's saying a lot of stuff in it, and we haven't reached far in the song as yet, so let's get it again. So man's is saying, yo, she said me look nice. Remember when me did warm? So he's like saying, the girl is saying he's nice now, but she didn't remember him when he was warm then. Like, you know, when you were broke or whatever, or nothing now go on for you. So he's saying that, and he's flexing. He's flexing in a sense where he's saying, I know I'm the shit right now, and yeah, I said more art, more want me nice, no, but you never remember when we did one. You know how that go. And then further down in the song, he says, gunshot kill, gunshot kill, and what is it? Gunshot kill and something about accomplishment, accomplishment, arm or I don't know, accomplishment, harm. Let me pull it back. Let me pull that shit. Oh, so he's saying accomplishment, gunshot kill, and accomplishment, arm, not warm, arm. So in a sense, he's saying that if gunshot kill, then my accomplishment, then I am accomplishment. He's saying he is accomplishment, and he is the harm. So like a harm force, like armed military, armed base, whatever. So he's saying he's an arm, like an army of himself. He's an accomplishment, and he's an army of himself. So he's literally saying that, yo, gunshot kill, so accomplishment, arm. For all my Jamaican folks out there, you know all this lyrics, bro. Pull that shit up. I didn't get that shit. Pull that up. Yo. So man's just saying, yo, still my evil, modest. So he's saying, I'm still evil, I'm still at the modest. So he might say, me at the modest thing, I'm still evil. One chat business, shout out my office. Those are bars, bro. Those on play on words and bars at the same time. Still me even modest. One chat business, shout out my office. So he's saying he's not in the drama and the media and all that coming out to interview and speak on people's name. He's not that type. He's doing business. If you want to speak business, call me. That's it. If you want to speak business, call me. But still I'm evil and still I'm the maddest. Boom, pull up again. Come on. Man's is saying, go out and send me home better myself. Like, get a youth. Go out there and go better yourself. Don't get put on shelf. Man, I say, yo, send me go out the road and send me home better myself. Don't take handout and put on shelf. So he's saying he's not taking no handout from no niggas. Nobody. So he's doing the shit by himself. No handout. Can't put me on the shelf. Man. So, what that bar say though? I know y'all remember that recent video with Popcorn gifting his mentor, Cartel, a Rolex, a diamond Rolex. So I don't know I don't know if it's coincident that Alkaline is saying this in the song pertaining to that, or he's just saying some shit. But he's saying, he doesn't take handout, and he doesn't take handout from health. He doesn't get placed on shelf, and he doesn't take handout from health. So I'm guessing he's calling Popcorn a health because he's short. I don't know, but if y'all know, let me know in the comments. Pull. The man's just saying, yo, I can't mean them a deal with somebody else. So I guess that's the interview he's speaking on. He's somehow speaking on that same interview with Cartel and Anthony Miller. Can't mean them a deal with somebody else. So man's just saying, all the talk them a talking I mean and them a speak from them. I can't mean them a deal with I must somebody else. Check your money where I make enough couldn't stay calm. Them never know what I'm going. Yo, shit, this is crazy. So I guess this is the second verse of the song. So because we're like halfway in the song already. Let me pull that back again. Ah, got it. Man said, no bag excitement, make the thing flourish. Let me try to remember the second part. No bag excitement, make the thing flourish. No, I already forgot that part, bro. Oh, so he's saying, about the excitement, make the thing flourish. For every advice, doubters forget punish. I get it. So he's saying, about the excitement, make the thing flourish. For every advice, doubters forget punish. So whoever doubting you in life, bro, they gonna get punished. No matter what, they gonna get punished. For anybody who doubting in life, they gonna get punished. So that's what's up. Oh shit. You see that? Everything in the song makes sense now. So it's all about pertaining to whatever that interview was like. So he's saying, give myself homage. So he's not giving nobody else no homage. He already gave his homage, I understand that from earlier time in his career, but he's saying, give myself homage. Nobody else. You seeking for homage or seeking for highly ratings, bro? It's never gonna happen because Alkaline said it. Give myself homage. Hold on. Let me pull it up. Yo, mans know how to play with words, bro. He knows how to play with words. Man says, give myself homage. Me a live coverage. So he's saying he's a live coverage. Give myself homage. Bro, those are bars, bro. But he's saying his influence in the world is gigantic, so nothing can stop it. You remember in that same interview Vibes Cartel said, if you don't give him ratings or if you don't give who's there before you ratings, you'll never go nowhere. So Alkaline is saying, as you see the title, accomplishment, Alkaline is saying, I'm already where I'm at, bro. I'm already where I'm at. So you're saying that I'm not going to reach nowhere because you remember, he's speaking on his name. You're saying I'm not going to reach nowhere. I'm already somewhere. My shit is globally. My shit is worldwide. So he's saying, I'm global. I'm worldwide, I guess. That's what he's saying. Hold on. Let me. R.I.P. to Rooster, bro. R.I.P. to Alkaline's father, bro. He's saying he bought that whip. You remember that whip we saw in the video, Blanco with the McLaren. So he's saying he bought that shit. And he knows his dad is laughing, his dad is smiling, saying, proud of you, son, you know, that stuff like that. Look at that. Man is just flaunting in this song and he's speaking from a standpoint of saying that he's rich. He ain't got to worry about shit. You got all the money. You got probably all the bitches. Excuse my language, but he's saying he's rich. You don't worry about nothing. That's it. That's it. For me, this song is fire. It is fire, and it has a different variation of flows, bro. The flow is crazy. You know, Alkaline already. He always spits different flows in every songs. He always try to try to do everything different all the time. So I guess the song is all about the finish. It's almost finished because he's repeating the chorus. You know, those songs, those catchy songs, you gotta repeat the chorus multiple times so it grabs you, I guess. He's almost done. This song is crazy, bro. And out and put on shit. Bad to chat, good to good, bad to bad, all in all. So man's just saying, good, me head, you know, I, something, I don't remember. He's saying, me head, Chad with Chad, good to good, bad to bad, all in all, add, multiple, add crazy. You see how everything goes together? Everything just goes together. And the lyrics and the words, if you really listen to songs and listen to word for word, you're going to find out that the song is really crazy. It is crazy. The way he fits all those bars and words in the song is crazy. And the song is how long? 2 minutes and 39 seconds. And it feels like a lot of words, a lot of pieces in it. So again, bro, it's your boy, Nanda Review Channel. I hope you guys like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. If you like my review about the song, feel free to comment in the comment section and tell me what you like about it. Tell me what part of the song you like the most or whatever. So remember, like, subscribe, and share. Peace. I'm out.